Bettye's cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a keto vanilla cream cheese pound cake. It is absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm going to start by adding 4 eggs to the blender here. This is 4 eggs. All right, let me beat that. Cream cheese. Sticks of butter. Here's the half a stick of butter, whole cup of erythritol. Now I'm going to add 10 drops of stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 drops of stevia. A little butter and cream and sugar. Now this is 1 cup of almond flour. We'll turn it on. Okay, that's 1 cup. 1/4 cup of oat fiber. This is 1/4 cup peanut flour. And add that. I got 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and I have 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to turn it off so that I can make sure that I have everything incorporated. Okay, it looks good. I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven for 325 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. That was so buttery. Ooh. Wow. That's what it looks like. And it is buttery. I'm going to taste it now so you can see how good it is. but it's good. Tell you, it is so good. This is the last piece of it, but it is delicious. Really good, really, really good. So if you like a creamy, buttery pound cake that's keto, you're gonna love this one. Very good. Buttery and sweet. It doesn't need anything. It doesn't need any icing. It's just right. I let the vanilla cream cheese cake cook for 70 minutes. I think this cake should be called butter pound cake because it's so buttery and it's just delicious. It's flaky. It's really good. Really good pound cake. So I hope you try this recipe. This is the last of this keto vanilla cream cheese cake. It is delicious. Right. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Not so much in that order, but keep watching.